this is my first video. So say you have an art project and it's due and you sleep in and you'll only have 20 minutes to get dressed, do your hair, run out the door to walk to school or catch the bus or whatever you do. So I have a few tips that will hopefully help you make it go by quicker. And this also comes in handy if you like to party and the morning after you like to sleep in. So I'm really sorry that I don't have a better page, but this is all I could find. Okay, so this is my picture. And first is first. You're gonna outline it as best as you can. Even if it takes 5 minutes, 7 minutes, it's best to do that. Then you can go through the rest quicker. So you're gonna do all the so after you outline, you're gonna do all the big parts first. So in this picture, the ice, water, and then you're gonna do the animals, the background, then details. It's all about, like, when coloring it, first go at a slow, but not slow and not fast pace. A good medium, but a little bit faster pace. So you get down a bit more quicker. Then go through details. So eyes, feet, water, the mountains, background for this picture, and do that. And also, here's another tip. If you use your iPhone, iPod Touch, cell phone, iPad, whatever, and set an alarm for exactly 20 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes for getting dressed, 5 minutes for doing your hair, and then 10 minutes for finishing the project. And so after you color it and stuff, you can write it, type it, paste it, whatever you need to. So we have that done. Another tip is the night before, take your clothes while you're getting ready for partying or whatever. Take your clothes and fold them and put them on your bed, your dresser, hang them, whatever. And take all your hair products that you use every day and set them down on the counter. Take your curling iron or hair iron or whatever you are going to use and plug it into the wall, but don't turn it on. So when you wake up, you get dressed, just flick it on, and you can head to the washroom and wash your face, apply all your makeup if you have to, or you can even skip some of the important parts. So if you need hair defrizzer, use that quickly and do a quick brush instead of applying and use heat protector and stuff like that. So instead of using all your stuff, so the defrizzer, the shine, all that, you can go without the shine, just use the basics. So heat protector, defrizzer if you need to, smooth stuff, or curl spray, and then go through with your hair and hairspray quickly. And same with your face. If you don't need foundation, don't use it. If you don't need eyeliner and you just want to do a light coat of mascara and shimmery eyeshadow and then lip gloss and then concealer, then that's good. Just use the essentials. Guess what I'm saying. So that. And you can also, if you have a younger brother or sister who's a few grades behind you or ahead of you, ask them to help. If they say no, then they say no. If they say yes, then they can help typing it, writing it, drawing, so that will help. And yeah, my first video, this video was actually supposed to be about duct tape roses, colored duct tape roses. And I actually left my bag of tape at my school in my locker. So next video, I promise, will be duct tape roses. And since it's coming around Christmas, I'm really into crafts. So there'll be lots of craft stuff, like how to sketch, cheap gifts that look really expensive, stuff like that, sketching tips, like I said, and that sort of stuff. Also, there'll be like saving, how to save, and just things like that. In the summer, it'll probably mostly be hair and makeup, but right now it's crafts. Also, I think my cat's pregnant, and if she is, then she's either having them this week, next week, or the week after that. And if she does, I'll tell you and post it. If she doesn't, I'll still post it and tell you. But if you want a free cat, I'll post pictures. And yeah, so I think that's it. And yeah, so I hope that helped you out, and I really do hope that helped. And that's it. Have fun sleeping in.